US Navy has just unveiled a game-changing warship, a $13 billion floating fortress that has sent shockwaves through America's adversaries, including Hamas, Iran, and Russia. This is the future of naval warfare, an aircraft carrier so advanced, so lethal, and it rewrites the role of military dominance. But what makes it so special and why it is terrifying America's enemies? Meet the USS Gerald Ford, the most advanced aircraft carrier in human history. Costing a staggering $13 billion, this warship is packed with cutting edge technology that makes it faster, deadlier, and more efficient than any carrier before it. Its mission to project American power across the globe and maintain absolute naval supremacy. This carrier is the first in the Ford class, replacing the legendary Nimitz class. It boasts an entirely new electromagnetic aircraft launch system, a futuristic weapons elevator, and a nuclear powered engine that keeps it operational for decades. But that's just the beginning. Hamas, known for its conflict with Israel and reliance on Iran for military support, has every reason to be alarmed. The USS Ford can launch airstrikes faster than any other carrier in the history. With its state of the art launch system, it can send 33% more fighter jets into combat, delivering devastating precision strikes against enemy positions. This floating airbase ensures that US and allied forces maintain total air dominance in any battle zone. On number 2, Iran, the threat of unmatched naval power. Iran, a major player in the Middle East, has been aggressively expanding its military capabilities. The USS Ford poses an enormous challenge to Iran's naval forces. Its advanced radar and defense systems can neutralize incoming missile threats, and its powerful escort fleet, including Aegis equipped destroyers and submarines, makes any attack against it nearly impossible. Iran's speedboats and anti ship missiles threats are no match for the defensive umbrella this carrier provides. On number 3, Russia, the ultimate counter to Russian aggression. And then there's Russia, America's most formidable adversary in Europe. With tensions escalating over Ukraine, the Arctic, and NATO's presence, Russia is closely monitoring this carrier. The USS Ford's ability to launch stealth fighters like the F 35C and deploy drone swarms make it a direct counter to Russian military expansions. If conflict arises, this carrier ensures US forces can dominate the skies or any battlefield. It will be a game changing technology on board. What makes the USS Ford truly terrifying is the sheer amount of cutting edge technology it carries. Electromagnetic Aircraft Launch System (EMALS) replaces steam catapults, making aircraft launches smoother, faster, and more energy efficient. Advanced Deserting Air (AAG) improves the recovery of aircraft, reducing stress on pilots and equipment. Now, its stealth capabilities, a lower radar profile, makes it harder to detect. It cannot detect by radar. Automated weapons elevators transports bombs and missiles to the flight deck in seconds, increasing combat readiness. While talking about its nuclear propulsion, unlimited range, allowing it to remain at sea indefinitely without refueling. All these advancements mean that in a full scale war, the US Navy can operate with unmatched efficiency, ensuring overwhelming force projection wherever necessary. The global response about the USS Ford, fear and tensions are escalating. Since its deployment, this warship has not gone unnoticed. Iran has called it a provocative escalation. Russia has ramped up naval drills, testing anti ship missiles in direct response. Even China has taken notice as the US deployed the USS Ford near the Pacific to counter Beijing's growing military scene in the South China Sea. The USS Gerald Ford is more than just an aircraft carrier. It's a symbol of US military dominance, a message to America's adversaries that the era of unchecked aggression is over. No nation can challenge its power without facing the full force of American firepower. USS Ford will be the future of American warfare as the world watches. One thing is clear, USS Ford is a game changer, whether in the Middle East, the Arctic, or the Pacific. This warship ensures that the United States remains the dominant global superpower. And as tensions continue to rise among the globe, its presence alone may be enough to deter any nation from challenging the US might. What do you think? Will this 13 billion carrier redefine the global warfare? Will it will be the future warfare? Let us know in the comments and don't forget to like, subscribe for more military analysis.